So today, being the 2nd of May 2025, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the court again. You guys remember that Barrister Aloy Ejimako said that today they're going to cross-examine the witness from Nigeria government, the first one that testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on 29th of April. So what happened today is that they have already adjourned the case till 6th of May 2025. So let's go ahead and see what happened today in the court before the adjournment, right? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court update. 2nd of May 2025, transcription of cross-examination proceedings, part 1. So Agabi is the one that interrogated or cross-examined the witness from the Nigeria government. So I'll be saying A, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, then the witness, right? So that we'll not get confused. So let's start. A, did you take my client's statement with or without his lawyer? Witness, yes, his statement was taken without his lawyer. A, from the video evidence, were you the person interrogating him? Witness, yes, I was among. A, did you appear in the video? Witness, no, I didn't. A, what was your assessment specifically? Witness, to arrest Nnamdi Kanu and bring him to Abuja and interview him. A, apart from defendant, did you obtain statements from others? Witness, personally, no, I didn't. A, at the time of arrest, you drew from him all the items presented in the court. Witness, yes. A, were those all his personal properties? Witness, yes. A, are there other items that haven't been presented? Items considered offensive. Witness, my lord, the items might not be offensive, but the action behind it. A, no. Answer me correctly. Did you analyze the items? Witness, my task wasn't to analyze the items obtained. A, so you didn't analyze it? Witness, I didn't, except the phone. A, is the phone analysis in evidence? Witness, no, because it was considered immaterial. A, did you agree most of the items have lost their unusefulness over 10 years? Witness, yes. A, in 10 years since you first arrested him, have you seen anyone who claimed he committed a crime? Witness, no, I haven't. A, you said you found him with someone. Did you find any incriminating on the person? Witness, no, we didn't. Okay, now. A, did you confirm the person as a facilitator of terrorism? Witness, no, we didn't. So moving on, this is the part 2 of a transcription of a cross-examination proceedings, right? So A, did you find any instrument of violence on my client, the defendant? Witness, none. A, did you contact any of the persons the defendant named in his statement as a working with him? Witness, he did not name anybody. A, is it only one statement that was obtained from him? Witness, in Lagos, yes, but in Abuja, other statements were obtained. A, apart from the defendant, is there any other person standing in trial with him? Witness, I don't know. A, I put it to you that in the entire nation, this defendant is the only person standing trial for the agitation of Biafra. Witness, I do not have information about that. All I know is I did the arrest in Lagos. A, from your knowledge, the agitation does not have any other person apart from the defendant. Witness, certainly not correct. A, so who are the rest? Witness, from the news on social media, I know Simon Ekpa. Hey. A, so because of what he read from social media, you want my defendant to be sentenced to death? Witness, I have said what I know. Simon Ekpa is working with him. Okay, now. A, is Simon Ekpa standing trial with my defendant? Witness, I know he was arrested too. A, but is he standing trial with my defendant? Witness, I don't know. A, we are keeping count of your I don't knows, Mr. Witness. So the cross-examination proceedings continues. A, is the defendant charged with damaging properties of people or government? Witness, what I know is he is charged with terrorism. So he explained what is terrorism in the court, right? So A, but is he in charge with damaging anyone's property? Witness, maybe not personal, but remotely, he instructed people to destroy government properties. Okay, now. A, do you know a single person who damaged any properties according to my defendant's instruction? Witness: it is not my duty to answer that question. He turns to the judge and asks if he can be limited to the questions he answers. The judge declines. A. Did my defendant say the nation is suffering from corruption? Witness: I cannot remember. How can he remember? A. He said the nation is suffering from corruption, true or false? Witness: that question should not be put to me. Judge interjects: you do not detect the questions that you should be asked. Kindly answer the question. A. Do you remember my defendant said the country lacked infrastructures? Witness: I cannot remember, but he called the country a zoo. Okay, let's go on. A. Did you remember if he apologized for the uncomplimentary remarks he made about president and Igbo leaders? Witness: I did not remember. A. Do you remember when he described IPOB as a voluntary organization? Witness: I did not remember. A. Do you remember he said IPOB does not engage in armed struggling? Witness: I cannot remember. No, you will not remember now. A. Do you know there has been killings in the country in Kaduna State? Witness: yes. A. The killings, is it from agitation of separation of states? Witness: no. So the session continues, right? So let's go ahead, my people. This is getting interesting anyway. So this one here is the part 4 of cross-examination proceedings. A. For many years, there has been killings in Zamfara. Is there as a result of agitation or separation? Witness: no. A. There has been killings in Benue. Is it a product of agitation or separation? Witness: no. A. There are killings in Plateau State. Is it as a result of agitation or separation? Witness: no. A. Are our highways safe? Witness: to the extent they are safe. A. Many villages have lost their lives. Nigerians killed in churches and mosques, correct? Witness: I remember few of those instances. A. Are those killings product of agitation or separation? Witness: no. A. Schools have been attacked and the students unalive, correct? Witness: yes. A. Do these killings have anything to do with agitation or separation? Witness: no. So there continues. So this particular one here is part 5 of cross-examination proceedings. A. Do you say IPOB was proscribed? Witness: yes. A. Who were the parties to action in which IPOB was proscribed? Witness: the federal government. A. Do you know if the application was ex parte? Witness: no. A. Since the proscription of IPOB, do you know any IPOB member that has been prosecuted? Witness: no. A. Do you know any IPOB member? Witness: no. I have seen the defendant during broadcasts issuing directive to IPOB members. A. Have you seen any IPOB member being prosecuted? Witness: no. A. Is it a crime to propagate ideologies? Witness: no. A. Which are the states to which IPOB message is directed to? Witness: majorly Southeast and the South states. A. Name them. Witness names the Southeast states. A. These states have lawmakers, governors, and being presented nationally. Witness: yes. A. And there are constitutional established. Witness: yes. A. These states have the security personnel. They receive federal allocation. Witness: yes. A. And Nigeria lives in all the states you mentioned. Witness: yes. A. So does it mean the people of these states you mentioned do not carry out their supposed leaders' orders? Witness: there are people in that state who carry out his instructions. A. Do you have evidence? Witness: no. Okay, now. A. Are you aware even the court apologized to my defendant for some of the wrongs done to him? Witness: I was not in the court that day. A. Are you aware that the people of the Southeast are in DSS, Air Force, as well as in military? Witness: I am aware. A. In line with all these offices mentioned, nobody from that region is guilty of the accusations you made against them. We have mentioned states where this unrest and the Southeast is not part of them. Witness: we have videos where miscreants commit atrocities and they mention Nnamdi Kanu as their leader. and he said them to do it. Hey, do you have evidence to that? Witness, personally, no, but the service has. Okay, oh. So this is the last part, which is a part 6 of the cross-examination proceedings. So here is the judge assessment, and he said, the last time I asked that some items be released to the owner, where is the application? I wouldn't hesitate to approve the application. So according to the judge, he's asking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers to, bring applications so that they can release those items they, recover from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's bag, which means we are heading somewhere, right? So the court has been adjourned to 6th, 7th, and 8th of May 2025, which means the 8th of May is going to be the last day of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial in Nigeria court. My people, I have this belief that come on 8th of May, we will definitely hear good news, which means Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be a free man. So this particular witness is the one that testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on 29th of April 2025. So according to the news, Nigeria government has 4 witnesses, right? So let's see what is going to happen in the next court sitting. And then I think they're going to continue with the cross-examination to the next witness from Nigeria government. So my people, that is it. As I bring this update so that you'll be aware of what happened in the court today concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's matter. Please do wait to subscribe for more updates, like the video and share it as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next update. Goodbye for now. Ano puta. Oh, there we go. Adam. Where is he gonna sit? Oh. I don't know, but I'm losing. Yeah, you can. Okay. I don't know. Okay, there. Who drops this?
Then we have Dr. Patricia. Her name is Dr. Patricia. Okay. Please. I will Then we have Dr. Patricia. Then we have Dr. Patricia. Her name is Dr. Patricia. Okay. Please. I will
This is a walkway. Hello, this is a walkway.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you? It's good to see you. Welcome.
After that, I have another brother of ours, Ikeazo. Name is wrong, Ismail. Ikeazo, E-I-K. Joseph.
He was avoiding the boy.
She's coming. She will come. You want her to?
Okay, can you come here?
Welcome to Chamber Senior TV.